Did you know you can manifest anything you desire using a powerful technique inspired by Dolores Cannon? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Stay tuned, because this method can transform your life in ways you've never imagined. The key to unlock a universe of possibilities, to manifest your desires, to shape your reality. It's not magic. It's not wishful thinking. It's a profound understanding of the power within you. It's about understanding the power you possess. The power to change, to grow, to become the best version of yourself. The power of your mind, your energy. The energy that flows through you and connects you to the universe. Dolores Cannon, a pioneer in past life regression, revealed a profound truth. A truth that transcends time and space. We are not limited by the physical world. Our potential is boundless, our capabilities infinite. Our thoughts, our beliefs, our energy, they hold the power to create, to bring into existence what we envision, to heal, to transform, to transcend the ordinary and touch the extraordinary. This is the essence of manifestation. The art of turning thoughts into reality, to consciously direct your energy, to focus your intentions with clarity and purpose, to align with the frequency of your desires, to resonate with the vibrations of your dreams, and watch as the universe conspires to bring them to life, to see your dreams unfold before your eyes. Are you ready to unlock your universe? To step into a world where anything is possible? You are not just a physical being. You are much more than the sum of your physical parts. You are a being of pure energy, vibrant and ever-flowing. This energy is the essence of who you are, constantly moving and evolving. This energy interacts with the energy of the universe. It influences and shapes your reality. Every thought, every emotion sends ripples through the cosmos. Think of yourself as a powerful transmitter. Your thoughts, your emotions, they emit energy waves. These waves are not just fleeting moments. They have the power to create and transform. These waves attract similar energies back to you. This is the law of attraction in action. Like a magnet, you draw in what you project out into the world. You are a magnet. What you focus on, you attract. Your mind is a powerful tool, capable of shaping your reality. Focus on negativity, and you invite more negativity. Negative thoughts and emotions create a cycle that can be hard to break. Focus on positivity, love, and abundance, and you attract those energies into your life. Positive thoughts and emotions elevate your frequency, drawing in more of what you desire. The power lies within you, to choose your thoughts, to cultivate positive emotions, to radiate a high frequency. This is not just a passive process. It requires conscious effort and intention. And in doing so, you become a magnet for your desires. Your dreams and aspirations are within reach, waiting for you to align your energy with them. Embrace the power within you and watch as your reality transforms. Everything is energy, vibrating at different frequencies. Your thoughts, your emotions, even physical objects. This is not just a philosophical concept, it's quantum physics. Your energy field interacts with the quantum field, a field of infinite possibilities. When you focus your energy on a specific desire, you send out a signal, a request to the universe. The universe responds. It aligns with your energy. It orchestrates events. It brings people and opportunities into your life to manifest your desire into reality. This is the dance between you and the universe, a constant exchange of energy, a co-creation of your reality. Your beliefs are powerful. They shape your thoughts, your emotions, your actions. They determine your energy frequency. Limiting beliefs create resistance. They block the flow of energy. Believe you are unworthy, and you attract experiences that confirm this belief. Believe you are abundant, and you open the doors to prosperity. Challenge your limiting beliefs. Replace them with empowering ones. Beliefs that support your desires. Beliefs that resonate with your true potential. Your beliefs are the architects of your energy. Choose them wisely. Visualization is a powerful tool. It is a technique that has been used by successful people for centuries. It activates the creative power of your subconscious mind, allowing you to tap into resources you didn't even know you had. It helps you embody the feeling of having your desire. Now, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine your desire as if it is already here. Picture every detail vividly in your mind. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement, as if you have already achieved it. Let these emotions fill you up. The more real you make it, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. Create a vision board to make your dreams tangible. Surround yourself with images that represent your desires. These images should inspire and motivate you every day. This keeps your goals front and center, making it easier to stay focused and committed. It reminds you of what you are working towards and why it is important to you. Remember, visualization is not just daydreaming. It is a deliberate practice that requires focus and intention. It's about aligning your energy with your desires, creating a vibrational match for what you want to attract. It's about feeling the reality you want to create, living as if your dreams are already true. This is the essence of manifestation. Harness the power of your emotions. They are the potent amplifiers that can turn your desires into reality. They add fuel to your manifestation fire. Positive emotions raise your vibration. They send out a strong signal to the universe. Feel the joy of receiving your desire, the love, the gratitude, the excitement. These emotions magnetize your desires to you. Negative emotions create resistance. They block the flow of energy. Acknowledge them, release them, replace them with positive ones. Your emotions are your guidance system. Pay attention to them. Let them guide you towards your desires. Unlock the superpower of gratitude to amplify your intentions and transform your life. It shifts your energy instantly. It opens your heart to receive. Be grateful for what you have, for the blessings in your life. This sends a message to the universe, a message of abundance, a message of receptivity. Express gratitude for your desires, as if you have already received them. This strengthens your belief. It amplifies your signal to the universe. Gratitude is not just a polite gesture. It's a powerful tool for manifestation. Use it generously. Learn the art of letting go and allowing the universe to work its magic. Let go of the need to control. Trust in the timing of the universe. Attachment creates resistance. It sends a message of lack and desperation. Focus on the feeling of having your desire, not on the how or when. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes. Surrender your desires to something greater, to the wisdom of the universe. Allow it to orchestrate the perfect outcome. Detachment is not about giving up. It's about releasing resistance. It's about allowing the universe to deliver your desires in its perfect timing. Step into a reality where your dreams aren't just aspirations, but a way of life. You are a powerful creator. You have the ability to manifest your desires, to shape your reality. Embrace the principles of energy manipulation. Visualize your dreams. Cultivate positive emotions. Express gratitude. Detach and allow. Trust in your power. Believe in the possibilities. You are worthy of receiving your desires. The universe is waiting. ready to conspire with you, to bring your dreams to life. Start today. Unlock your universe and live the life you were born to live.